Microwave oven buying guide. Microwave ovens are used to heat and cook food conveniently. Whether you want to warm leftovers, make soup, tea or coffee, make instant snacks like popcorn, or cook some kebabs or paneer tikka. No other appliance makes it as easy as a microwave oven. It fits well into our busy life. How does a microwave oven cook food? Microwave oven is an electronic appliance generally made up of various sub-assemblies and contains a microwave generator called magnetron. This magnetron, when powered, generates high-powered electromagnetic waves. Inside walls of the microwave oven cavity are reflective, which reflect these radio waves and pass through the food item kept inside a microwave oven on a turntable. Due to these microwaves, molecules inside the food item vibrate, and since vibration generates heat, this heat cooks food. Can a microwave oven destroy the proteins, nutrients in food? No. Cooking food in a microwave oven does not destroy the nutrients. Are microwave ovens safe? Microwave ovens are considered safe. They must be used properly. The food is just as nutritious as with any other cooking method. The electromagnetic waves stop as soon as you switch off the power supply and open the door. They don't remain in the food. Which microwave type and brand should be considered? Which microwave features are important? What safety precautions should you know? Answer to all of these is a tedious task to decide. Which is the best microwave oven to buy? Types of microwave oven. To decide the most suitable microwave oven for you, consider their types and capacity available. Before looking at additional features, these types of microwave ovens are available in the market. One is solo microwave ovens. Solo microwave ovens are entry-level models for simple, limited cooking. Best fit for reheat, simple cooking. Grill microwave ovens. This is second. These are provided with additional grilling accessories. They are suitable for reheating, cooking and grilling. Third is convection microwave ovens. Convection microwave ovens use a fan and a heating element to create airflow patterns inside the microwave oven. These are best for reheating, cooking, grilling and baking. What should be the size or capacity of a microwave oven? The size that is best suited for you will depend on the number of family members and how often you are likely to use the microwave oven. The microwave oven is mostly used to warm the food than to cook. In general, up to 20 liters is sufficient for a family of 2 to 3 persons. 21 to 30 liters for a medium-sized family, and above 31 liters for a large-sized family or large cooking. The link to find and buy the microwave ovens most suitable for you is in the description below.